Want to keep your Toyota 4Runner seats looking fresh and stylish? The right seat covers can protect, enhance comfort, and even add a rugged touch to your ride. In this video, we're counting down the best Toyota 4Runner seat covers, from ultimate durability to premium luxury. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the CarQiWireless seat covers. If you're looking for a perfect blend of style, durability, and comfort, this one's a winner. Designed to fit Toyota 4Runners from 2011 to 2024, these seat covers fit like a glove, giving your ride a custom-made look. And guess what? Installation is a breeze. Just slip them on, secure them, and you're good to go. Spilled your coffee? No worries. These covers are super easy to clean, so you can keep your interior looking fresh without the hassle. And if you've got little ones, you'll love this. Toddler tested and approved. That means no sticky discomfort, just soft, cushion support for all your adventures. With a sleek design that enhances your 4Runner's look and multi-layer durability built to last, the CarQiWireless seat covers definitely earn their spot on our list. But we're just getting started. Wait till you see what's next. Moving up to number 4, we've got the Huidasource seat covers, where durability meets luxury. If you want tough protection without sacrificing comfort, these are for you. Made from high-quality faux leather, these seat covers are waterproof, wear-resistant, and breathable. So whether you're dealing with muddy adventures or morning coffee spills, your seats stay spotless. See that? Completely waterproof. Just wipe it down, and it's like new again. No more stressing over stains or spills. And let's talk comfort. This material feels incredibly soft and adds an extra layer of plush support for those long road trips. Another bonus, easy installation. No complicated straps or tools. Just slide them on, secure, and boom, your 4Runner's interior gets an instant upgrade. With a stylish look, premium feel, and heavy-duty protection, the Huidasource seat covers are a solid choice for any 4Runner owner. But wait till you see our next pick. Things are heating up. Coming in at number 3, we have the OASIS Auto Seat Covers. If you're after a perfect fit, a premium look, and all-day comfort, this one checks all the boxes. Designed exclusively for Toyota 4Runners from 2010 to 2025, these covers offer a custom fit that hugs every curve of your seats. No awkward gaps, no loose edges, and check this out, well-shaped and sturdy. These covers don't just sit pretty, they're built to last. Plus, the comfort factor is next level. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the trails, these covers make every ride feel extra plush. And let's be real, they look amazing. The premium materials give your 4Runner an instant interior upgrade. Installation, super simple. No special tools, no frustration. Just slide them on, secure, and you're all set. Durable, stylish, and worth every penny. The OASIS Auto Seat Covers are a fantastic pick for your 4Runner. But we've got 2 more even better options coming up, so stick around. At number 2, we have the Tide seat covers, a game changer if you want a premium look without the premium price tag. Made from high-quality PU leather, these covers are durable, stylish, and soft to the touch, giving your 4Runner an instant upgrade. Spills? No problem. These covers are super easy to clean, so whether it's dust, dirt, or a coffee mishap, a quick wipe keeps them looking fresh. And here's the best part, they actually look better than OEM seats. That's right, you're not just protecting your seats, you're elevating your interior style. And if you're worried about installation, don't be. These covers are designed for a perfect fit on 2011 to 2024 Toyota 4Runners, making installation quick and easy. And here's the kicker, these seat covers are surprisingly affordable. You're getting top-notch quality at a reasonable price, making them one of the best value picks on our list. But we're not done yet. Coming up next is our number 1 pick, the absolute best seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner. Stay tuned. And here it is, our number 1 pick for the best Toyota 4Runner seat covers, the EKR Seat Covers. If you're looking for top-tier quality, a premium feel, and a perfect fit, this one is the ultimate choice. First things first, these covers look and feel just like real leather. They give your 4Runner's interior a luxurious upgrade while keeping your seats protected and stylish. And check this out, the fit is incredibly precise. These covers are well made, snug, and look like they came straight from the factory. No loose edges, no awkward bunching, just a seamless, custom-fit look. Plus, they're super easy to clean. Whether it's dust, spills, or pet hair, a quick wipe keeps them looking good as new. And the comfort level, next level. These covers add just the right amount of cushioning, making long drives and off-road adventures even more enjoyable. Installation, no stress. These covers are designed for an easy, straightforward install, so you can upgrade your 4Runner without a trip to the upholstery shop. With a premium leather-like feel, a perfect fit, and unbeatable comfort, the EKR seat covers take the top spot as the best seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner. And that wraps up our list. Which seat covers are you choosing for your 4Runner? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome car accessory reviews. See you in the next one.